small 10-15 parts only left. Break Maheshwar Rao is there. Okay, so can you able to hear?
Yes.
So the last point we stopped here. So in the VPN, you may hear like your brother or a sister came to home and working from home. So how they will connect their infrastructure through your internet only, your home internet only, which is connected to internet, right? But when they are connected to VPN, so if you ask something like, can I access this Amazon.com or Flipkart.com? They said, I am connected to VPN, so you cannot access any websites or any other website or movie websites or e-commerce website from this laptop. Okay, so only when you can able to access if they are disconnected from VPN. Okay, so they are connected to this router for internet. Router is connected to internet. So when they are try to connect, when they try to establish to this VPN server, what happened? Okay, so what happened? So first request go to the VPN server. VPN server verifies user identity. Once it is VPN is okay, then what happened? From VPN server, they create a tunnel over the public network till your laptop. Hmm? Challenge. Till your laptop. Means your laptop is look like connected to this private network, just like there are in this private network only. Means what are the IP address we are using here? That IP address will be assigned again to this laptop. Okay, so that's what VPN it is. Connecting a private network from another private network through the public network. Okay, via encrypted tunnels. Okay, so for example, in the same place, you have another laptop. This laptop is network is different. So this is connected to this Wi-Fi, our Wi-Fi router, and we are getting regular internet only. Our IP address as per the router given IP address only. Okay, we are getting normal internet. But this laptop is connected to VPN, separate network, same path, but different IP address, different way of communication. This from this laptop, you can connect it to this private network, but from this laptop, second one, you cannot connect. Why? Because you are not connected to VPN. Okay. So that's the point, guys. If you when you are doing work from home or from office, which is we cannot use the leased lines, there we can use this VPN to connect to our private network via public network. Okay, so those are the points I'm trying to say. So here it is. What is a VPN? This line is also connecting or accessing a private network from other private network over internet. That's a simple word, virtual private network. Okay, so a service that helps you to stay private online. Different things are there. So that's why I written everything underline. VPN establishes secure encrypted connection between your computer and the internet. Provide a private tunnel for your data and communications while use the public network. While using public network, you can connect your private network, okay, and your data is secure, okay, and use some private tunnels. Data is encrypted, secure and encrypted. It is from your laptop to or laptop or your computer to your private network. Okay, and you're traveling through the public network, because if your infrastructure is directly in the public network, it is compromised, no security at all. But you are connecting to your private network through the public network. That is not at all secure. But what happened? Your connectivity is by using some tunneling protocols, it is encrypted. The data is encrypted and only specific type of connections are allowed. So then you are secure. Different types of tunnels are there: PPTP, SSTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, secure socket tunneling protocol, layer 2 tunneling protocol, IKE, and different authentication methods are there. IPSec type of connectivity is there. MS CHAP kind of connectivity is there. So different authentication means whenever you establish the connection, that allowed users are there. For example, I'm a trainer. I'm not allowed to use this VPN to connect my infrastructure. If I'm a infrastructure administrator or something like a database administrator or a network administrator, or maybe I'm a some certain servers administrator or cloud administrators, means that's virtual machines administration things, then I am allowed to VPN connection. That is also permission given by the main person. So radius servers, AD servers, AAA servers, these are the main different types of servers to authenticate user. So in that one, this user name password is there. If username password is there, then it will verify user authenticated and authorized to access through the VPN. If authorized, then only VPN will establish the connectivity between the VPN, your private network, to your computer. A VPN uses end-to-end encryption to provide with online privacy and security. Okay, with online privacy and security. Online private and security. Okay. So here end-to-end encryption means your server data and you have data you can able to see, but whatever it is traveling, it is completely encrypted. It routes your data through the encrypted tunnel, so nobody can see what you are doing on the internet and expose your identity. Even if hackers intercept your encrypted traffic, they cannot be able to view its content. Okay. VPN is safe and cheaper than leased lines. VPN is safe and cheaper than leased lines. User connected to remote infrastructure like a connecting in the local network. As I said, so you are in the home. Maybe if you are in the somewhere in Visakhapatnam, maybe in Mumbai, or maybe you are in Chennai, somewhere you are in the hometown. Okay, you have internet. Okay, so but your infrastructure is somewhere located, different location. But you are connecting and you are accessing it. You are connecting means you are connecting via public network, but you are accessing just like you're accessing like a same in a local network only, private network only. So where we cannot able to use the leased lines, there VPN works. Okay. So in some branch offices, you cannot afford this leased line. Leased lines are very costly, and that is not worth of providing leased line to the small branch offices. Home offices, people will travel from one place to another places. This we cannot put a leased line everywhere, right? So there it is a VPN works happily because it's encrypted. Okay, what are the different VPN servers? You can use the firewalls. Different type of firewalls has a built-in features like a VPN related, like a pfSense, Palo Alto, Dell Sonic Wall, TP-Link, SafeStream, like some of the VPN routers also there. In a Windows server, you can use RAS or remote access roles. By installing and configuring, you can make it as a VPN server. Okay. Different types of VPNs are there. So remote access VPN, personal VPN, mobile VPN, site-to-site VPN. Already I told what is site-to-site VPN. From your organization or your office, branch office to head office. Both VPNs are connected through the public through using this tunneling and encryption. They are connected. So one site to another side. This is New York site to Noida site. It is site to site. This is remote connectivity. Home office is a remote access time. Okay, home access means from your one particular device to you are connected to VPN server, then it is allow you. So it is like a remote access time. Personal VPN services only for your home users within your organization, within your home, like you want to connect, you are accessing for your purpose. Mobile VPNs, you know that nowadays we are using mobile VPNs to stay connected. Generally, guys, I will tell VPN. So what is the VPN? Again, we can see connecting your private network from other private network. Other private network over internet. Like that, you can say where VPN establishes secure encrypted connection between your computer and internet, providing private channel for your data and communication while using public. So it is establishes secure encrypted connection between your computer. Okay, that is from your home computer to here and internet, providing private tunnel and your for your data and communications while using while you use public network. Through the public, you are connecting. Different authentication servers use for in a VPN. Okay, different tunnels also they use it. And also this is underline points. That's what I'm trying to read again. So VPN is a safe and cheaper because you are using encryption. Leased line, we don't use encryption. Why? Because it's a private line. This is a public line. You are using a public line, so data must be encrypted. But still, it is cheaper because it's a public line. So you don't need to do any agreement with this ISP, public IP like this, not required. Simply, so you have a VPN server and you need a public connectivity. One connectivity is enough. So you establish the connectivity. Once user is authenticated, and the data will be that's VPN server create a tunnel between the VPN server to your desktop or laptop or your office. So you can access just like you are connected, just like you are connected in the same room, same network, like kind of stuff. Okay. So this is the points. Usually I will, okay. This is about our VPN, but small points I will add it after VPN class. Guys, lot of people think, so I'm working here. I'm using this laptop. I'm accessing different kind of website. People are keep telling that is use VPN to secure your network because hackers are watching you. Government is watching you. Okay, guys, don't open illegal websites. First of all, don't try this onion browser kind of stuff like a that is a dark websites. Okay, don't use dark website. Don't open any illegal website. Don't open this tiny URLs. Tiny URLs means small URLs the people will share to see something like there is an offer, there is a something you rotate this wheel, you will find a Amazon offer. Simply you open the link, wheel will be open, you got a 2000 rupees and connect Amazon from you from this link. And if you connect it to Amazon and you can get a free. I don't know. No one is getting that one. So it is definitely nothing. Yeah, I tried that one. So what happened? I will tell my experience. Okay. I have done not last because actually we hacked other person. Okay. There is a Kali Linux. That's current name is Kali Linux. Before that one, the name of that Linux OS is Black Track OS. So that time YouTube videos are very difficult to watch, very small letters. But I tried one or two letters find it. That time my vision is better, okay, somewhat. But I take one virtual machine I create. So I'm telling the story 10 years back story, not a new version. I'm telling you, I was a older version. Okay, I created a social media tiny link, the social media related to Facebook I created one tiny link. I shared the tiny link, tiny URL to one of my friend who's there. There, we told them already. So what we are doing? So for testing purpose, we shared a link to him. Okay. What is this, guys? So open the link and immediately a Facebook page is appear. Okay, same as it is. It's a Facebook page only. Okay, it's a simple different URL. It is we shared it. When you click on the URL, web browser in the web browser, Facebook, complete how the username passwords are shows. It is showing like that only. And he typed his username and password, enter. You know, in our screen, we got his username and password also. Not only we hacked his username, we take his password also. Like who the people are get this URL and whenever they enter, so automatically I can collect all the username and password. That is the danger of third-party links, third-party websites. And be careful when you are searching for a certain website, is a correct one or a third-party one. Be careful in it. Okay. So try maximum 2-3 websites. What is the difference? Okay. Any small name changings also are there. Still better we should get to know what is that website and all. Even government is not completely take care of even the for a government related website. One of my student filled a form. I told her it is look like different because I know how passport is there. But this is look like a different where everything is in one single page. Passport website is page by page is there, means few details in one single page. There it is, all details are in a single page. It's look like a different one. Without listening to me, she's admitted it went to some consultants, passport related consultancy. She has to pay to him to get a passport now. She opened wrong. So government not seeing that one. See any how many duplicate passport related websites are there. Okay. So they're providing security, all these things. I don't, but the basic things they're not seeing. People don't know, right? So that's the point I'm trying to say. I'm not blaming on anyone. I'm blaming on a lot of people don't know what actually, even I don't know so many times it's a original website or duplicate website. So be careful with it. And people are using some VPNs. That VPNs, guys, people use a VPN to access the remote country's data. Okay, for example, Amazon Prime, there is certain series are there, certain episodes are Netflix. Indian related only limited content. You know, if you go to America, there is some web series are available in US based. So I want to access that website. I have to go through the VPN. Means someone in America put a one VPN server there. Okay, VPN server. In India, from my laptop or mobile phone, I have to connect it to this VPN. Then I can able to access. Really, I'm not securing anything, just I'm connecting to this VPN so I can access this geographical content. Okay, so good. But do you know this guy? Who is this person? Is can be hacker who is providing this VPN service for 10 rupees. You are connecting. If it is a company related, okay. If it is not company related, definitely it is not a good idea. Okay. He can able to access yours, right? You know how people do the hacking? So in the worldwide, they have a lot of VPN servers. The worldwide, they have a lot of VPN servers. This is what they will. They use lot of tunnels, encryption channels. We want to access this attack on this particular server. This guy started from here. It go like this. Simple, random. So many encryptions. It's a retracing is also difficult because someone hack you. It is direct tracing will be there. Retracing is there. Means someone came to you and do something and they will return, right? So there is tracing. Sending, receiving, tracing is there. Retracing is there. Hackers go through these all VPNs and finally it's become very difficult for retracing the hacker. Okay. But what we are doing is without knowing because of this promoters, YouTube promoters. People are telling this, use this VPN, use this secure network. Government is watching you like this one. Don't use any illegal websites, dark websites unless you know it about it. Okay, you can not use it. Okay, that's the point I'm saying, guys. VPN don't give you any protection. Maybe if you use a wrong VPN, that is very dangerous than normal without using any protection. Okay, so if you think this VPN is a protection and you are using a wrong protection, that is danger. Okay, that's my point, personal advice. Okay, so do not think that is VPN give you a protection kind of stuff. All these people are like betting apps related people, all these YouTube advertisers, Instagram advertisers, don't believe. If you know it, if you study about that subject, just you can use that one. Otherwise, don't go for it. Okay, we don't know who is that VPN service provider, right? We never know. Okay, and you don't require to access all the kind of website. Secrecy is not required. All the things are available directly nowadays. Okay, that's the point. Why government bans certain website? Because it is danger. To access the danger, again, you are using some danger. Okay, yeah, that's enough of a story. Yeah, guys, okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll start a new topic. We'll discuss.